Hi guys, earlier on today I showed that I'd picked this up in a charity shop. Can't remember how much it was, £1.99 I think. I then assembled it. It's a tin can edge detector robot. In other words, it runs around, it finds the edge of what it's on and it turns away from it rather than falling over the edge. Now, the can I used was a can that size, and it was a bit top heavy once it got going, and I did have a few problems getting it going initially. It seemed to have a lot of friction and it was wearing out batteries quickly, but I lubricated it and it seemed to go okay. Anyway, back to the can. It seemed to be top heavy and tended to tip over the edge, so I was thinking of getting a smaller size tin can, or I suppose I could have added a bit of weight at the bottom. But I had an idea. It's the sort of idea that people would probably suggest when they've seen lots of my videos anyway. Why not do a Grandad tin can, well, not a tin can, a Grandad Edge Detector Robot instead. So printed that to go across the existing base, and this is one of my bobblehead Granddads. Normally has a spring up the inside and he bounces around when you're going over bumps in the car. In fact, he bounces around anyway because the car vibrates. Anyway, so I've taken him off the spring, 3D printed this, to say to fit there. A bit of luck. Yeah, that's fitting on there. It's fitting on there. I did have a square for him to go round on. I'm just trying to find. I'm trying to find a level spot for the table. Might have to. Obviously my chair legs or table legs aren't quite right. Oh, we'll have to put up with it rocking a bit. Sorry about that. Anyway, we'll see him run around on this. If he doesn't work right, then we'll try the little square table thing. He's supposed to go straight up to an edge and he turns one way. But because this is a circle, he won't turn to another edge. You'll see what I mean. Stop waffling, Grandad. Turn the button on. Right. Right, what he should do is turn away from the edge, but because it's a curved edge, he's not turning all the way away. Now, he's finding the edge all right, and he's not falling off. Ah, that's what he's supposed to do. Turn right across. Like that. I suppose it depends how far he goes over the edge. We'll do this. I think it was going just as well on the circle, wasn't it? In the instructions it says make sure he goes directly towards the edge. He's almost doing it, but not quite right. I think we got the idea anyway. It's probably because the balance is different, because he's not like that. But he's certainly edge detecting. I'll put him back on there. He was going all right on there. There'll be a link in the video description to the build video I did for the original. So check out the video description. Yeah, he does it better when he hits a straight edge. The way it works, it's very simple. You've got a turning wheel there, the axle, which would drive him forwards, and a turning wheel there that goes sideways, which doesn't touch the ground normally, because those front wheels touch the ground. But when those front wheels drop over an edge, that wheel starts touching the ground, and that's what flicks him round. So he really ought to work better on there, but he didn't seem to do so well. Well, not as well as I was expecting. It might work better with a fresh battery because he gets up more speed and goes slightly further over the edge, which means the wheel makes better contact and turns better. Possibly. I've changed the... Clearly my table's not quite right. Anyway, I think we've got the idea. That's gone on for long enough. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.